everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just could not stop myself from making this video. Do you know why? Because I just unlocked a very amazing insight about trigonometry and real life. So even though I have like a math, I don't even know if that's a math exam, but I have exams in like 10 or 11 days because I just said I don't know because we aren't given our routine yet. We weren't given a routine. So yeah, so I just unlocked an insight and I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's truly amazing, so bear with me. Okay, so for that, let's draw a right triangle. So this video is not meant to be a math lesson. I just wanted to maybe motivate you to do maths or just fall in love with maths just like I did. So, and videos like these and lessons like these really help me, so I just wanted to inspire you. Okay, so this is hopefully a right triangle. So let's name these. So it is, let's call this A, B, and C, a common name. This is obviously the 90-degree angle. And then we got ourselves an alpha angle. I'm naming it alpha. Usually in my textbook, they name it theta. But I named it alpha because my name is Anissa. Okay, anyways. So we all know a sine, right? It's the sine of theta. Sorry, it's not even theta. We're talking about alpha over here. Okay, anyways. Sine of alpha, which would be equal to the opposite, obviously. The opposite over hypotenuse. We all know that. So basically, this opposite side is this one, right? This AB side. So let's put it over here. Hypotenuse, AC, because this is like the highest side possible, I guess. Okay. So sine of alpha is equal to AB by AC. Okay. So what if I told you this AC over here represents your potential? Like the potential you have as a person or what you can do and everything. Okay. And this side represents your ability to bear hardships. Okay, it's taking too long to write. Okay, anyways. And then you see all of these angles, like this one, and then this one as well. All of these angles, so let's just write it all together. 90 degree. Let's name this one theta. So theta, all of these angles are your work, action, and your growth, and your knowledge, which you can increase, by the way, obviously. Okay, why is my handwriting coming out so bad today? Okay, anyways, knowledge. Okay, done. All right, so all these represent all of these. Okay, so this really shows, and you know this sign? So the sign actually is a ratio, right? Between your potential and your ability to bear hardships. And the funny thing is, this sign can never exceed over 1. Or if you're talking about negative angles, it can never exceed -1. How fun is that? Okay, why did I say how fun is that? It's because it just means that you are never awarded. Okay, why am I? Okay, I'm saying awarded because it helps you grow. So you're never awarded with hardships that you cannot bear. So you're never awarded more than what you can bear, right? So you have a limit to what you can bear, which means that you're strong enough to bear every hardships that you're faced with. Also, you see this potential over here? You can only achieve your potential. Right? But see, you have limitless potential. Do you know how? Because let's draw another angle. So we're going to draw this side, which is the BC over here, the BC. And then we're going to draw the AB, but do you know how we're going to do it? We're going to be increasing this 90-degree angle. So if we increase it, the line goes like this. So let's call it AB, and then we're going to connect A and C. Okay, what did I just draw? Anyways, my iPad is not working well today. So is my pencil. You know what? Let's just use a ruler instead. Okay, fine. Okay, this is taking longer. I'm so sorry, but okay. Done. Okay, So this is roughly a good side, I guess. Okay, anyways. So we have increased this angle over here, this one over here. We've increased this one to this one, right? And then we reduced this alpha to this one. So this is our alpha now. And now this 90-degree angle is something else. So let's call it beta, I guess. And this one stays our theta angle. Okay, anyways. So now the hypotenuse over here, meaning our potential, has increased. This one has increased. So this is our potential, and this has increased. And then you see how this side, the side AB, has stretched out a little. Do you know why? Because your ability to endure hardships and go over hardships has increased as you get more knowledge. So your knowledge, your action, and your work, these all actually impact your ability to increase your potential and also your ability to endure hardships. All right, so this is actually amazing because we just learned about life with trigonometry. And also, what's amazing is that this actually links back to an ayah in the Quran, which kind of goes like, Allah never burdens a soul with more than it can bear. I don't really remember the surah name or the ayah, but I just know that it exists in the Quran. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, so this is the ayah, and then we just learned from maths that sine never exceeds -1, which means that we always have the same potential of enduring hardships, and it never goes beyond that, which means that we can always achieve hardships, right? So conclusions are, number 1, maths can link back to real life. Number 1. That's why you should go ahead and do maths now. To life. Okay. Number 2, you have limitless potential. You just have to learn. Okay? You just have to learn. And then, number 3, Trigo is also a proof that Allah is our creator. Right? And then, number 4, your actions can impact, but your actions can impact your ability to endure a hardship, right? And also, I have a bonus over here, HS. Okay, so HS doesn't mean high school, it means hardship. Okay, so now let's do number 5, which is kind of like a bonus. Okay, my pencil stopped working now. Okay, 5, okay, done. So, you see how this alpha angle over here, has reduced, right? And here, this alpha angle is much bigger. But you see your potential is increased, right? Which means that you have the ability to do work better right now, right? So this can actually also show, so if we call it success 2, just like with potential, we can see that if doing minimal work, so let's represent it as minimal work. If we do minimal work, we can still get the success, which means that you do not have to pull all-nighters. You do not need to pull all-nighters like your friends. Pull all-nighters like your friends to get good results, okay? So never compare yourself to your friends because they're different and you're different, but if that works for you, you can definitely try doing that, because over here the 90-degree angle, it's stretched out, increase. That's also kind of the reason of the potential being unlocked or the success coming, right? So you just have to do what works for you, okay? Never compare yourself, okay? So that's like all I have for now. Thanks so much for watching my video, okay? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, and pray for my exams.